Hello, and welcome to today's guide. In this video, you'll learn how to change the distance units in the TripAdvisor app on your Android phone from miles to kilometers. This is especially useful if you prefer the metric system while browsing hotels, restaurants, or attractions. Let's get started right away. First, open the TripAdvisor app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom menu and tap the account icon. Then scroll down a bit and tap on Preferences. Now, tap on Units. Here you can choose your preferred measurement system. Select kilometers and meters from the list. The app will now display distances using the metric system. That's it. Your settings are saved automatically. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Switching units in TripAdvisor helps you navigate more comfortably. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and travel app guides.